Model, 67 plate Ford Transit Custom 270 genuine low mileage spares or repairs needs engine. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 74,897. MOT, the 4th of May 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knob. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,125. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.